How to fix Forza Horizon 4 network issue and server connection errors. Greetings, this is Teknobalta. We are addressing a critical network connectivity issue within Forza Horizon 4 today. Many players experience an online unavailable status, preventing access to critical game services. This problem manifests as an inability to join multiplayer sessions or connect to the game's central servers. A specific error message often appears, signaling a disconnect from the network infrastructure. The core issue frequently revolves around authentication discrepancies or stale session data. Your Xbox or Microsoft account credentials might be out of sync with the game's backend. This state prevents the game client from establishing a valid, authenticated connection required for online play. It can persist even after reinstalling the game, indicating a deeper account or system-level configuration problem. The primary symptom is the game displaying an error notification about network connectivity. This immediately halts any attempts to engage in online racing or social features. The root cause is often simpler than extensive network configuration changes. It frequently originates from a corrupted or expired authentication token held by the game. This token is essential for your client to securely communicate with Forza Horizon 4's online servers. When it becomes invalid, all server access is denied. Our first and most effective solution focuses directly on this authentication layer. We will force a refresh of your account's session data within the game itself. This method is specifically designed to clear any cached credential issues that prevent proper server handshakes. It establishes a completely new, clean authentication session. To begin, launch Forza Horizon 4 on your PC. Allow the game to load completely into its main menu or initial splash screen. You will typically see an option to continue your game progression. Do not proceed with this option immediately. Instead, look for a Sign Out or Switch Profile button located nearby. This specific button is crucial for initiating the fix. Clicking this Sign Out option will explicitly terminate your current authenticated session. This action severs the established connection between your game client and the Xbox Live service. The game client then loses its stored authentication token for your profile. This is the intended effect, preparing for a fresh connection. After signing out, the game interface will prompt you to sign back in. Select your Xbox/Microsoft account to re-authenticate. This re-authentication process forces the game to request and receive a brand new authentication token. The new token is guaranteed to be valid and current. The game will then attempt to re-establish a secure and authenticated connection to the Forza Horizon 4 servers. This typically resolves the network issue. The technical rationale behind this fix is robust. It bypasses any local cache corruption or network state issues tied to a stale token. A new token ensures that your client's identity is correctly verified by the server. This allows data transmission and gameplay synchronization to proceed unimpeded. Occasionally, this initial in-game sign-out/sign-in might not immediately resolve the problem. If so, a broader system-level account refresh might be necessary. This involves managing your Xbox app and Microsoft Store logins on your PC directly. Ensure these applications also reflect a consistent, active login state. Open the Xbox application on your Windows desktop. Verify that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account associated with your Forza Horizon 4 purchase. If you find any discrepancies, sign out of the Xbox app and then sign back in. This harmonizes the system-level authentication with the game's requirements. Perform the same check for the Microsoft Store application. An inconsistent login here can sometimes interfere with game ownership verification and online service access. Sign out and then back into the Microsoft Store with your primary account. This ensures all Windows services are referencing the same authentication context. These steps ensure that your entire Windows ecosystem, not just the game, is aligned with your active Microsoft identity. This minimizes potential authentication conflicts. A restart of your PC after these account management steps can also be beneficial. It clears any lingering processes or cached data that might interfere. A system restart provides a clean slate for all services and applications to initialize correctly. This includes network adapters and authentication agents. If the issue persists despite thorough account refreshes, we must examine your local network configuration. Specific network settings can inadvertently block game connections. The primary area of concern is your network address translation or NT type. A restrictive NT type can severely limit online gaming functionality. NAT types categorize how your router handles incoming and outgoing connections for your devices. OpenNT is ideal, allowing unrestricted communication with game servers. Moderate NT offers some restrictions, while strict NT severely limits connections. Strict NT often prevents peer-to-peer communication crucial for many online games. To check your NT type, open the Xbox Console Companion app on your PC. Navigate to the Settings section, then select Network. The app will perform a network diagnostic and display your current NAT type. It also indicates any detected network issues. If your NT type is anything other than open, you will need to adjust your router settings. This usually involves port forwarding or enabling UPnP. Universal Plug and Play, or UPnP, is a protocol that allows devices on your network to automatically configure port forwarding rules on your router. Enabling it can sometimes resolve NAT issues. However, UPnP can pose a security risk if not properly managed, as it grants devices broad network configuration permissions. Consider specific port forwarding for better control. For Forza Horizon 4, ensure that specific ports are open on your router. These ports allow the game to communicate effectively with its servers. Common ports for Xbox Live and Forza Horizon 4 include UDP ports 88, 500, 3544, and 4500. Additionally, TCP port 3074 is often required. Access your router's administration interface, usually via a web browser using its default gateway IP address. The address is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Locate the port forwarding section within your router's settings. Create new rules for each required port, directing traffic to your PC's local IP address. Ensure your PC has a static local IP address to prevent port forwarding rules from breaking if its IP changes. You can configure this in your network adapter settings. Alternatively, you can place your PC in the router's DMZ, or demilitarized zone. This exposes your PC directly to the internet, bypassing all firewall restrictions. Using DMZ is generally not recommended due to significant security implications, as it leaves your system vulnerable to external attacks. Only use it for testing if absolutely necessary. After making any changes to your router settings, remember to save them and then restart the router. This applies the new configuration. Recheck your NT type in the Xbox Console Companion app to confirm the changes have taken effect. An open NT type should now be reported. Beyond NT, your local firewall settings are another critical network component. Both Windows Defender Firewall and any third-party security software can block game connections. These firewalls are designed to protect your system from unauthorized access. However, they can sometimes be overly aggressive, misidentifying legitimate game traffic as a threat. To check your Windows Defender Firewall, open the Control panel and navigate to Windows Defender Firewall. Ensure it is enabled and check its inbound/outbound rules. Look for rules specifically related to Forza Horizon 4 or Xbox Live services. If no explicit allow rules exist, you may need to add them manually. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Browse to the Forza Horizon 4 executable and add it as an exception for both private and public networks. Temporarily disabling the firewall can be a diagnostic step, but it is not a recommended long-term solution due to security risks. Only do this for brief testing periods. If you have a third-party antivirus or security suite, consult its documentation for firewall management. These often have their own set of rules and exceptions. Add Forza Horizon 4 and relevant Xbox services to the allowed applications list within your third-party firewall. This ensures it doesn't interfere with the game's network access. After making any firewall adjustments, restart your PC to ensure all changes are fully applied. This clears any lingering network states. The next crucial step involves ensuring your network drivers are current and functional. Outdated or corrupted network adapter drivers can cause unstable connections. Your network adapter is the hardware component responsible for all internet communication. Its driver is the software that allows Windows to interact with this hardware. To update, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. Expand the Network Adapters section. Locate your primary Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will attempt to find and install the latest driver from its own repository. If it finds one, follow the prompts to install it. For the most current drivers, visit your network adapter manufacturer's official website. Search for your specific adapter model and download the latest driver package. Examples of common manufacturers include Realtek, Intel, Killer Networking, or Broadcom. Ensure you download the correct driver for your Windows version. Install the downloaded driver package, following the manufacturer's instructions. A driver update often requires a system restart. Outdated Windows components can also lead to connectivity problems. Ensure your operating system is fully up to date by checking for Windows updates. Open Settings, navigate to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all pending updates, including optional ones. These updates often contain critical bug fixes and improvements to network protocols. Keeping your OS current minimizes compatibility issues. Beyond updates, system file corruption can interfere with network functions. Use Windows built-in tools to verify system file integrity. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This tool scans for and repairs corrupted Windows system files. The system file checker may take some time to complete its scan. Allow it to finish entirely before proceeding. Another powerful tool is the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, or DSM tool. This tool can repair the Windows image itself. In an elevated command prompt, Execute dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command fetches repair components from Windows Update. This process can be lengthy and requires an active internet connection. It targets deeper system file corruption that SFC might miss. After running both SFC and dism, restart your computer. This ensures any repaired files are properly integrated into the operating system. If network issues persist, performing a comprehensive network reset can often resolve underlying configuration problems. This effectively reinstates default network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator for these crucial network commands. We will reset various network components systematically. First, type net winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets the winsock catalog to a clean state. The winsock catalog manages how applications access network services. Corruptions here can prevent any application, including games, from connecting. Next, type net in IP reset and press Enter. This command resets TCP/IP settings. TCP/IP is the fundamental communication protocol suite used on the Internet. Resetting it clears any erroneous IP configurations. Then, type IP protocol configuration/release and press Enter. This command releases your current IP address from your router. Following this, type IP protocol configuration/renew and press Enter. This requests a new IP address, refreshing your local network configuration. These two commands ensure your PC obtains a fresh, unconflicted IP address leased from your DHCP server, typically your router. Finally, type IP protocol configuration/flushtons and press Enter. This clears your DNS resolver cache. The DNS cache stores recently resolved domain names, speeding up future lookups. A corrupted cache can lead to incorrect server resolutions. Clearing the DNS cache forces your system to perform fresh DNS lookups for game servers. This helps resolve issues where incorrect server IPs are cached. After executing all these commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. A full system restart is essential for these changes to take effect. This sequence of network resets addresses a wide array of potential connectivity issues. It ensures your network stack is configured optimally. These comprehensive steps should resolve even persistent Forza Horizon 4 network issues. Always apply them systematically for best results. Should the problem persist after all these efforts, consider testing your network connection with another device. This helps isolate if the issue is PC-specific or broader. Additionally, contact your internet service provider if multiple devices struggle with online connectivity. There might be an upstream problem with your internet service. Teknobalta is committed to delivering effective technical solutions for your gaming experience. We systematically diagnose and fix common PC problems. By following these detailed steps, you should successfully reconnect to Forza Horizon 4's online servers. Enjoy your racing! Consistent system maintenance and regular driver updates are crucial for preventing future issues. Proactive measures keep your gaming environment stable. Verify your account authentication regularly, especially after major system updates or game patches. A quick sign-out/sign-in can prevent many headaches. Always double-check your router's NT settings if you encounter recurring connectivity problems. An open NT type is generally optimal for online gaming performance. Firewall configurations should be reviewed periodically to ensure Forza Horizon 4 and related Xbox services have appropriate access. Balance security with functionality. Keep your Windows operating system updated, as this provides essential stability and security patches. These also include network-related improvements. Remember to update your network adapter drivers directly from the manufacturer's website for peak performance and compatibility. Generic drivers can sometimes limit capabilities. The NETSH and IP protocol configuration commands are powerful diagnostic and repair tools for network issues. Familiarize yourself with their usage for quick troubleshooting. If you face persistent problems, consider documenting each step taken and any error messages received. This information is invaluable for further support. Teknobalta ensures you have the technical knowledge to overcome these challenges. We empower you to maintain your PC's optimal performance. Thank you for tuning in to Teknobalta. For more in-depth PC troubleshooting guides, subscribe to our channel. Stay gaming.